how to add, translate, gadget, widget layout on your website or blog on Blogger. Hello guys, so first step you have to do is go to blogger.com. This is the dashboard or the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is just click here on this layout option and scroll down to choose the place where you want to add it on your website. I'm gonna choose sidebar bottom. You can choose any of these places. Click add gadget, scroll down, click on translate. Now choose the style and click save. Now let's see it on our, as you can see, it's here now. Now I can change my website to any language in the world. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.